Hey everybody, July 8th, 2024. Coming off the light trading week from last week, we've got the Astro Excel for the week here from the 8th to the 12th. Coming into Monday here, we've got this uptrend on the green line that's going to last all the way through the day session until 1700. Then it's going to drop back down to the zero line into Tuesday morning where it's going to bottom at 4 a.m. about the zero line, but you can see Tuesday, the day session, is relatively flat on the green line, banging just above zero here. Then it starts to move up at 1600, and it's going to push upward all the way through Wednesday as it gets up to the 20 line, and it maxes out here in the evening between 20 and 2200. Then it turns back down and pushes down Thursday into Friday morning. We've got a big move down all the way through Friday where it finally bottoms out Friday night about 1900 at about the minus 17, minus 18 area. Blue line peaks Monday, 5 a.m., 1300. Big spike high at night tonight, 2200. Tuesday morning, 1 a.m. 12 noon Tuesday. Spike peak at 1800. Wednesday morning, 6 a.m. Then 1500 Wednesday afternoon. Blue line consolidates Thursday, get a push down late, 2200 for the low. Then Friday comes up short of the 10 line at 1 a.m. and then both lines down Friday. So that's the look ahead for the week. Upward pressure for the day session today. Tomorrow relatively flat, heading up Wednesday up pressure. Thursday, Friday downward pressure.